If you think you need to be rich or famous to build real friendships with millionaires and high-level people, you have been lied to. The real secret is something almost nobody talks about. I'm Julian, founder of onesociallife. I help high-performing men to build elite social circles in less than 1 month and attract high-quality women by using the onesociallife system no matter where they live. If you want my full step-by-step plan on how to build your elite social circle, even if you are starting from zero, you can get my free guide in the link below. Here's the problem most men face. When they meet someone successful, they instantly think, why would this person want to be friends with me? Or they try to impress, pitch, or act like someone they are not, and it backfires. But once you understand the 3 social principles I'm going to share in this video, you will know exactly how to connect naturally with millionaires, entrepreneurs, influencers, and anyone else you want to meet. Stay until the end because I will also share the #1 silent killer that prevents most men from ever getting access to these circles. Principle #1, stop trying to impress, start matching energy. Most guys think that to be friends with millionaires or high-level people, they need to impress them. This is one of the fastest ways to create distance. When you are trying to impress, you signal that you are below them. You create pressure in the interaction. You are not relaxed and they feel that. High-level people are constantly approached by people trying to prove themselves, employees trying to impress them, salespeople trying to pitch them, people asking for favors or mentorship. The last thing they want is another person adding more pressure to their life. So what do they respond to? They resonate with people who bring calm energy, emotional control, genuine curiosity, shared interest. You don't need to impress. You need to make them feel understood. When you can have natural conversations about topics that actually matter to them without needing something, you stand out fast. So, what kind of topics work? There's always fitness and health optimization, travel experience, business mindset, lifestyle upgrades, relationships and family dynamics. You want to come across as someone who just gets it. One example quickly from my clients who was at a mastermind dinner with multiple 7- and 8-figure entrepreneurs. Instead of pitching anything, he asked, out of everything you are doing right now, business, fitness, relationships, what's the area you're most focused on improving? And this question, that sparked a real conversation. No sales, no pitching, just 2 men talking about personal growth. The key rule here, high-level people don't connect through information. They connect through energy alignment. They are constantly filtering, is this person socially calibrated? Or do they add calm or chaos? Do I enjoy being around them? When you stay grounded, curious, and conversational, you become someone they want to be around. So, principle #2, offer access, not value. It's more like becoming a connector. A common piece of advice you hear is often, bring value to high-level people. But most men misunderstand what value actually means. They try to offer business advice, send books, pitch collaborations. But the truth, millionaires don't need more advice or coaching. What they do crave is access. Access to new people, private environments, curated experiences, of course. Social circles they wouldn't naturally find. You win also then by becoming a connector. You don't need to be richer. You need to be the person who connects valuable people to each other. One quick example to this. You meet a successful entrepreneur who just moved to your city. Instead of pitching him, you say, hey man, there is a private dinner Friday, a few entrepreneurs, a fitness coach, and some great people. If you want, I can bring you. Suddenly you are not just another guy. You are someone who provides access. This raises your positioning because you control introductions. You filter who enters the circle. You are seen as a leader. And the key rule here is, millionaires don't chase events. They follow trusted connectors. The moment you are seen as someone curating high-value rooms, your personal status skyrockets, even if you don't have their financial level yet. And my own story to this, I can also give an example just from recently when I was building my network in Medellin. I organized private yoga and wellness events, luxury locations, invite only, curated group of entrepreneurs, influencers, attractive women and travelers. And many of the high-level people I connected with didn't care about my business pitch. They wanted access to unique experiences that most people can't offer. And suddenly I wasn't just some guy. I was someone who created experiences they wanted to be part of. Also, another thing you can add here is content creator value. So what I mean by that is being a light content creator gives you built-in reasons to approach, connect, and provide value. You shoot cool photos and videos at events, capture behind-the-scenes moments, create candid but respectful content, edit and deliver the content afterwards. Why is this so powerful? You are not asking for anything. You are immediately giving value. You are contributing to people's personal brands. You help them get cool, shareable content. A cool example here is you meet attractive women, influencers or entrepreneurs at a private event. Instead of awkward networking, you say, hey, I grabbed a few cool shots, happy to send them to you if you want. And they usually say yes, they are curious. They want to see, okay, what kind of shots you did. You exchange Instagram, you send the content, you start a natural conversation, and that's so easy. So easy, everybody can do it. You are remembered as someone who contributes. Your content often gets reposted and people start approaching you. You build rapport fast with both men and women. Important rule here, always be professional. Focus on making people look good. Never be creepy or pushy. Let people opt in to receive the content. You don't need professional gear, by the way. A good phone camera, basic editing, social intuition, that's enough to create real leverage. Also a key principle here. High-level people gravitate toward those who make their life easier, make them look better, and expand their network. By being both a connector and light content creator, you are stacking value multiple ways. Principle number 3, build perceived status before you even meet them. Often you won't be introduced directly to high-level people. They will check you out online before you ever meet. Your Instagram is your digital handshake. Before people meet you, they check your stories, look at who you hang out with, watch your lifestyle. This is your chance to pre-frame yourself. What to post? Simple. Behind the scenes from events you are organizing, group dinners, or curated experiences, photos with attractive women, successful people, and interesting groups. Your fitness and personal growth, that's totally fine. Casual moments from travel, hobbies, and lifestyle. Content creation comes full circle, guys. You provide content to others, they repost and tag you. You gain exposure to the audience. Their audience sees you as part of the circle. My client Chris, for example, wasn't yet financially at millionaire level, but by curating small events, creating simple reels and sharing content, influencers reposted him, entrepreneurs followed him, women DM'd him to join future events. How powerful is that? When he was introduced to business owners, they already knew who he was, his online presence pre-framed as someone inside the scene. Build your positioning before you need it. Your digital footprint works for you 24/7. The silent killer I mentioned, the I'm not ready yet mindset. Most men fail because they wait. Once I make more money, I will network, they think. Once I get fitter, I will start hosting. These are excuses. Once I have something to offer, I will connect. And what happens? They never start. The reality, you build access while you are building yourself, not after. High-level people respect action takers, people leveling up, those who build while in motion. The moment you start hosting micro dinners, organizing gatherings, creating and sharing content, introducing people, you become relevant. You build momentum, you attract high-level connections. I can tell you from my clients, one organized a simple weekly coffee meetup. Entrepreneurs, creators, fitness guys. 5 to 6 people at first, small, and grew to 15 and more in weeks. Business owners started attending, attractive women followed once they saw the movement, all while still building his own business. Action creates access. Waiting creates distance. The men who win don't wait until they are ready. They get in the room and level up while inside. If you want me to show personally and show you exactly how to apply this system and build your elite social circle no matter where you live, you can book a free call with me using the link below. Inside my program, I work with high-performing men who are serious about finally breaking out of isolation, building powerful social circles, dating high-quality women, and building real status without wasting years trying to figure it out all by themselves. And listen, you don't need millions in your bank account, not yet. You don't need to be famous, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Because 90 days from now, your entire social life can look completely different. Your network, your dating life, your opportunities. The men who win, they take action. They stay consistent. They let the system do the work. So wherever you are right now, this is your moment. The link is below if you are ready. And if you want to go even deeper, make sure to watch my other video where I break down exactly how to master small talk with attractive women using 0 pickup lines or apps. So I will see you there and talk to you soon.